Passionate gardener. You can see we're growing brinjal, eggplant or aubergine. They look healthy, they're nice, but this is very early stage. I can see their first flower start coming up. So what I'm going to show you today, how I'm going to let them grow further. This is very early stage, so that's very important that you remove early flowers. This first set of flowers, like you can see, like they're already started with branching, separate branches. So if I don't remove them, the energy will be taken by this aubergines. So you can see this is a flower cluster. So it's actually 5 flowers are there. So I'm removing whole 5 together. Just pinch them and that's it. Same for this. This is a very strong one flower, so I'm removing this as well. So don't worry, this is the first one that will allow the plant to develop stronger root. Same for this, just removing this one, allowing more branches and more fruit. So we are not losing anything, we are just letting the plant to be healthy first and then to be stronger for food production. So I have done for all of these plants. So this will allow the stronger, better aubergine or eggplant, and also like I'm going to remove some of the leaves which are and some small buds from down, so that no further branches from below. Same for all of them. So this, like you can see, like small branches are starting up, so I'm removing them. So yeah, that's it. So hope this helped, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. Thanks for watching Passion Gardener. Bye bye.